Welcome guys and girls to my very first video on this account. This video is going to be about my PT-24/7 Airsoft handgun. I just recently got this, like 2 days ago or 3 days ago or something. It shoots 6mm BBs. There's yellow, white and orange ones there. There's the box of them. It's really powerful. It's powered by gas. The gas cylinder is in there. You just screw that out and then you put it in. It is actually a really strong pistol. It's a Taurus pistol. The logo there. And you got your safety, and them two buttons there don't actually do anything. They're just there because they're on the real make of the gun. Okay, anyway, to show you the strength of this handgun, I have just quickly drawn a little target there. It's a bit wet, but it's alright. And I will be standing back and I'll show you how it works. I'll just load it first. So I'll just put that on the camera. Okay. You just simply slide down this spring and stick in the pellet and it just falls down. If it gets stuck in there, you just tilt it forward and it will fall down. I'll just load some of these up. This mag holds 15 BBs. It's actually a lot. I don't know how much BBs are in this box now, but there's a good few. You can just see them there. We actually have another limited edition bag of BBs, and there's 5,000 in it, and it's really big. So I'll leave the camera. I'll leave it here. Actually, no, I'll put it behind me. If I can just get it standing somewhere. Hold on now. Just put it there like that. Okay, you can see the target there. Yeah. Okay. You'll be able to hear the power of this gun. I've just put a new gas canister in it, so it should be really powerful. The pellets are actually going through the paper, bouncing off the wall and coming back at me. That one just hit my shoe. This bounced back and it hit me. I've actually gotten shot by this twice. Oh shit. I will show you the impact it has done on the paper now. We'll just go here. I wasn't actually aiming for anything, I was just shooting the paper, just in case any of you comment saying, oh, you're so bent. Because like this, it hit some of the targets, but see, some of them there just went off the paper. So you can see they went through the paper, and they went back and they hit the wall, and then they bounced back out again. And they just come straight back at me. Okay, I'll fill up the mag again and I'll do another shot. I left the gun over here, so I'll just go get it. Okay, this pistol actually cost €100. It's a really good price, but you could have gotten a sniper, assault rifle, any kind of gun for the same price. I don't actually know where I bought this because my dad bought it. But it's really powerful. I've got shot by it twice already. I'll do another round with this now, and I'll end the video on that. Just this down here. Okay. Oh, and another thing just happened now. The gun can get jammed. If you can see in there, no, you can't see that. A BB gets stuck in the hole where it's through, and you can easily take it out. You just need a sharp item that will go down far enough so you can stick it into the pellet and pull it out. I'll just look for one now. A sharp knife, like any knife that you'd have in the house, like a steak knife, would be good for this, because it's just the right size and it's really pointy. I don't think we have any long nails in here. We might. I don't know. You probably get really bored of this now if you're looking for a nail. There's nails there, but they're really small, so I can't use them. It's too small, that one. I'll check upstairs. Yes, here we go. These nails will fit down good. It's very sharp. That's my dad's one. He's reading. Okay. Anyway, get back to this. All you have to do is stick it down where the mag goes, and try and hook it on the pellet, and pull it out. Don't think this nail is actually long enough. I think I'll just end the video on this, and I'll ungerm it in the house. Okay, yeah. Okay, this has been my first video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe for more videos. I should be uploading more. Comment on what you want me to upload. I'll upload anything you want. Just nothing rude or anything. Okay, bye. See you guys later.